All right, people, another DG Handyman Service project. Right now I'm putting on the, this is a vapor barrier that I put on the floor before I put the, this nice bumble floor down. So these are the flooring. It's my nail right here. And I kind of have everything prepped, ready to go. I'm not doing any transition strip, so I'm just gonna go straight through. And this is the hallway. So I have to get this prep also. And but I'm taking it little by little. It's supposed to take me 3 days. I have to repair the carpet in this room also. So yes, this is where I reached so far. So far I've been here like 4 hours now, so I'm making good progress. So I'm just gonna prep everything today and get started nailing all this beautiful flooring in. These are some nice bamboo floor. Yeah, so that's where I reached so far. This is the closet for this bedroom. As I said, this is the hallway. So I'm working from this end all the way over, go straight through all the way to that bedroom and that bedroom, because I'm not gonna do any transition strips, so everything have to flow through. So this is what I'm doing right now. So yes, another DG Handyman Service business project. I'm ready to go. This will be done in 3 days. I will do the finishing after picture. Show you what it looked like. Thanks for checking out my video. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.